As a homeowner in Dallas, you know how important it is to keep your home comfortable while managing energy costs, especially with the city's hot summers and mild winters. With the right choices in windows, you can improve your home's energy efficiency and significantly reduce utility bills. One type of window that can offer both functionality and energy savings is the awning window. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, providing a unique design and offering several benefits. In this article, we'll explore why energy-efficient awning windows are a great option for Dallas homes and how they can help you save money on your energy bills. Improved insulation and energy efficiency. One of the main reasons homeowners in Dallas choose energy-efficient awning windows is their ability to improve insulation. These windows are designed to keep the elements outside, and they are especially effective at blocking heat transfer. During the summer months, when temperatures in Dallas can soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, your air conditioning works hard to keep your home cool. Old windows, however, can allow hot air to infiltrate and cool air to escape, causing your HVAC system to overwork and raise your utility bills. Energy-efficient awning windows feature double-pane or triple-pane glass, with a layer of insulating gas like argon or krypton between the panes. This construction prevents the transfer of heat or cold, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By installing these windows, you create a more energy-efficient barrier against the weather, helping you reduce your heating and cooling costs and lowering your monthly utility bills. Maximize natural ventilation. Awning windows are known for their unique design that allows for maximum airflow while keeping your home secure and dry. The hinged top of the window lets it open outward, providing ventilation even during rainy or stormy conditions. When you open an awning window, air can circulate into your home without the risk of rain entering, as the awning effect prevents water from coming inside. In Dallas, where temperatures can get extremely high during the summer, taking advantage of natural ventilation can help you reduce the reliance on air conditioning. By strategically placing awning windows throughout your home, especially in cross-ventilation areas, you can increase airflow and reduce your cooling needs. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy costs. Tight seals for reduced air leaks. When it comes to energy efficiency, one of the most important factors is ensuring that your windows are well sealed. Air leaks around your windows can lead to drafts, which are not only uncomfortable but also contribute to higher energy bills as your HVAC system struggles to maintain a consistent temperature. Awning windows have a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts from entering or escaping. This is especially important in Dallas, where the city experiences temperature fluctuations throughout the year. The weather stripping and sealing systems used in modern energy-efficient awning windows are designed to reduce air leaks, further enhancing your home's insulation and temperature control. By replacing older, drafty windows with awning windows, you'll prevent air from sneaking in or out, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Enhanced UV protection. Another benefit of energy-efficient windows is the protection they offer against UV rays from the sun. The intense Texas sun can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and curtains. Modern energy-efficient awning windows come with low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect a significant amount of harmful UV radiation, while still allowing natural light to enter. These coatings help to block UV rays, protecting your home's interior from sun damage. By installing low-E awning windows, you'll not only save on cooling costs but also protect your furnishings from fading due to UV exposure. The added benefit is that you'll enjoy a bright, naturally lit home without compromising on comfort or durability. Low maintenance and durability. One of the challenges of traditional windows is the ongoing maintenance required to keep them in good condition. Awning windows, however, are easy to maintain and built to last. Modern vinyl or fiberglass frames are resistant to moisture, rotting, and warping, making them a great choice for homes in Dallas, where weather conditions can vary. These materials are not only durable but also low maintenance, saving you time and money on upkeep. The easy-to-clean design of awning windows allows homeowners to maintain their windows effortlessly. The outward opening style makes it easy to clean both the inside and outside of the window from inside your home, which is a convenient feature for those with hard-to-reach windows. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, including awning windows, can also increase the value of your home. Homebuyers today are looking for homes that offer comfort, energy efficiency, and low maintenance, and new windows tick all of these boxes. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing awning windows can make your property more attractive to buyers who are seeking an eco-friendly and cost-effective home. In addition to increasing home value, the visual appeal of awning windows can enhance your home's curb appeal. The clean lines and functional design of these windows can add to your home's overall aesthetic, making it a more desirable property. Environmental benefit. In today's world, many homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact, and energy-efficient windows are an excellent way to do so. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are helping to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient awning windows helps conserve energy by reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. Conclusion: energy-efficient awning windows for Dallas homes. For homeowners in Dallas looking to reduce utility bills, improve comfort, and enhance curb appeal, energy-efficient awning windows are an excellent choice. With their ability to provide insulation, natural ventilation, and UV protection, these windows offer multiple benefits for your home and your budget. Plus, their low-maintenance design and durability ensure that they'll continue to perform well for many years to come. If you're ready to make your home more energy efficient, consider replacing your old windows with modern awning windows. Not only will you save money on your energy bills, but you'll also enjoy a more comfortable and stylish home.